How to fix Wi-Fi connected to device can provide internet issues on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to fix Wi-Fi connected to device but can provide internet issues on Android. Without further ado, let's get started. First, you need to restart everything. You can restart your phone and restart your Wi-Fi router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Second way is to simply forget and reconnect it to Wi-Fi. For that, head to the settings on your Android phone. Now navigate to Wi-Fi. You can come back and tap on Wi-Fi. Now you need to tap on your connected Wi-Fi. Here you got the option to forget, tap on it and you can easily enter your password again and reconnect to your Wi-Fi and see whether your issue resolved or not. If not yet, you need to make sure to reset network settings. Head to the setting page again. Tap search bar and you need to type in reset and reset option will appear. You need to locate reset network settings and tap on reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Verify your identity entering your password or biometrics and confirm by tapping reset network settings. You need to reconnect to Wi-Fi and by following all the steps, your Wi-Fi connected but can provide internet issues will be resolved. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.